The Ampex Insulated Radiant PEX panel has been specifically designed to provide the most cost-effective installation and performance characteristics for hydronic radiant floor heating systems. The combination of expanded polystyrene EPS insulation, molded to the high-impact polystyrene film, makes for a strong, resilient, interlocking PEX panel. The Ampex Insulated Radiant PEX panel is available in both residential and commercial styles with different R values. The oversized four-sided tongue and groove interlock system makes for quick, easy, and secure installation. For the installation, start in the far left corner and working from left to right. Lay down the first panel. Continue to lay the rows of panels, ensuring that they are maintaining a staggered running bond layout. It may be necessary to cut the panels to accommodate columns or walls. Install the PEX tubing according to your design layout. The panel nubs form a mushroom shape to lock the PEX piping firmly in place. The PEX piping is easily inserted into the panel simply by walking on the tube. Once inserted, the pipe will be properly positioned and seated into the panel. The innovative patented panel design ensures that the tube will be completely encased in concrete and not pushed to the bottom of the panel. This will allow for the proper heat distribution of the radiant tubing and more efficient energy transfer. The residential panel is available in R values of R10, R12, and R14, and the commercial panel is available in R values of R11, R13, and R15. The Ampex Insulated Radiant PEX panel is designed to save time and labor cost with the installation and perform more energy efficiently once installed. Alleguard, Protective Foam Solutions.